So to fix a broken cabinet door, obviously the first thing you need to do is glue it back together. Next, I need to make a slight modification to the L brackets that I bought. And all the hardware that I'm using for this repair will be linked to in the description below. But it'll be more obvious as to why I have to do this in the next scene when you see me installing the L brackets. It's also a good idea to file your cuts to remove any sharp edges. For each door you'll need a total of 4 screws, 2 5/8 and 2 3/4. When you're reinstalling the door, the first thing I did was use 2 of the original hinge screws to fasten the door to the hinges, just kind of hold it in place. And then I used 1 of the 3/4 inch long screws to secure the bracket to the hinge and into the cabinet door. Next, you're going to take your 2 5/8 inch screws and you're going to use those to finish installing the first bracket. Check to make sure that the bracket doesn't prevent the door from closing properly. And then you'll repeat the same process for the bottom hinge, using your last remaining 3/4 inch screw to secure the bracket to the hinge and into the door. And then you can use the 2 leftover original hinge screws to fasten the bracket to the bottom of the door. That's it. That's all there is to it. I found that this method of installing the bracket to both the door and the hinge adds a lot of extra reinforcement, and it's going to be really unlikely that this will break in the future. So I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.